Hey, hello darlings, how are you? I hope everybody are fine with good health. So many people asked me to do a tutorial video regarding drawing, and this video is for you people. In this video, I would like to tell you about shading mainly, and not only shading, I would like to explain you about what is blending, which is the main thing. What is blending and how to apply it. Okay. Okay, let's know how to draw an apple first. For that, take a compass and draw a circle. Make sure that the circle has to be very light. No need to dark it. Okay, by using any type of HB pencil, let's start drawing the outline of the apple first of all. Before starting the outline, take a scale and divide the circle into 4 equal parts by drawing 2 diagonals. These lines helps us to maintain symmetry in our outline so that we can get a perfect outline. Now slowly start trying to draw the outline of the apple. If you observe the bottom of the apples, it just look like the bottom of water bottles or Coke bottles and all. I think they might have copied by seeing the apple's perfectly balanced base. At the horizontal line, make a point and slowly join a curve to that point, and in the same way do it in the opposite direction also. Coming to the bottom, draw a straight line, and based on the straight line draw a curve at the left side and simultaneously at the right side also based on the line. Now we can get a complete idea of the shape, and we can adjust the shape now, like what I am doing now. We can increase the curve width and like that. Dark all the necessary lines first. Get a clear idea about it. No. Try to adjust the shape of an apple, and these lines helps us to maintain the symmetry. Now slowly dark the borders and all. Also draw the stem and the leaves. Make sure that the pencil is sharp. Please keep in mind that the pencil has to be always sharp. If it is blunt, the lines will not be perfect. Dark the leaves, draw the lines and all. Now we can see a perfect shape of an apple. Now let's start the shading process. Take an HB pencil or any type of pencil for now, because it's a first video. Actually, there will be so many types of pencils for different types of shadings. For now, as it's the first video, the HB shade is enough. Sharp the pencil and smooth the lid like this, and then start shading on the apple like this slowly. Add some strokes like this from top to the bottom. Continue it. Hold the pencil like how I am holding. It will be very easy to draw like that. It will be very comfortable. Actually, there are so many shades and pencils which are used in different times. There will be HB, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, up to 12B. The increasing numbers represents the darkness of that pencil. HB will be somewhat light, 2B, 3B, 4B will be somewhat dark when compared. Likewise, this is like ascending. There are also the pencils above the HB also, like before the HB there will be H, 2H, 3H, 4H like that. These represents the lightness of the pencil. Shading is nothing but we are drawing the shadows. Now I am thinking like light is falling from here. So here it will be light and at the left side it will be dark. That's what I am drawing now. Now I am telling about blending. Blending is nothing but we are balancing the shade, like we are smoothening the lines so that it will look like a real thing. There are so many instruments for blending, but now I am using the basic thing, my fingertip. I can say this is the best thing for blending for some pictures, but not all. Now you can observe the shade, like how it changed, how equally smoothened. After blending, again draw the borders of the apple. Again dark the borders of the apple and make it clear. After drawing the border, erase the unnecessary lines that are present. Just keep the required lines and erase immediately. After erasing, again start shading from the left, dark again from the left side onwards, and continue towards the light. Left side dark, and while coming towards the right side, the darkness must become lower. If you are unable to get these type of shades, practice like this. Just do this, like dark to light from top to bottom. Maybe in case of this apple, we are doing left to right. So left side dark to right side light. Strokes like this, which give a natural look. Make sure that the pencil is sharpened like this. Also dark the leaves. Now take an earbud, which is also a tool of blending. With this earbud, now do like this softly, blend the lines which are dark and dark, and also follow the borders, blend the borders and all, which gives a natural look. It actually gets through the experience. After this blending, now take an eraser and highlight the lightning area like this. Just do like this, lower it, and it gives an amazing look. Now by using the earbud, make that lightning look natural like this, and also keep on and finishing. coming to the shadow of the apple, in this case so many people do mistakes in drawing the shadow. Now in our art the light is coming from the right side, so obviously the shadow should fall at left, but so many people draw at right side even if the lighting is from the right side. It is a big blunder mistake, so please don't do that. Just draw with pencil and blend with the earbuds and erase if the shadow is too long, make it small. And yeah, this is the perfect apple. And yeah, I think this video will be useful for you regarding sharing. So from my side a small request, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon, and also watch all my videos. Thanks for watching.